Welcome everyone. Here's our, let's see, I've already pulled and sanded all the pieces that I'm going to be assembling today. So let's get on down to it. that is steps 1 and 2. I don't know enough about copyright law to know whether I can play the song or not, so I'm gonna do some research on that over the next couple of days and see if I'm allowed to play the music. It's Memories from Cats, which is a cute little song. Despite what some people have said about the movie that I haven't seen yet. But that's it. I put that one on backwards. I think it'll stay on there while yeah, do want to make sure you get the detail on the outside on all of them, like I just had my happy little accident with. Solid little thing. I think that's, it feels sturdy. By the time you put some more on top of it, it's going to be nice and heavy to hold down. Looks good. Nice little, I like all the little tiny details on it. All right, I will see y'all Sunday now. So like, subscribe, comment, complain, whatever you want to do with all that, and y'all have a good day.